Hello and welcome to video on overall feedback 4-week online FDP on tools for teaching learning process. First, I introduce myself, Ujjwala Lad, working as assistant teacher ZP Primary School Whitney. Outline of this video. In week first, effective teaching practices. Week second, creation of online resources. Week third, Moodle as a learning management system. Week 4, digital and advanced pedagogy. Introduction of this course. MSBT approved 4-week online FDP on tools for online teaching learning process, organized by Department of Pharmacy, Government Polytechnic, Jalgaon. Week first, effective teaching practices. I have gained from this week. First, challenges of 21st century education in front of teachers and students. Second, understand Bloom's taxonomy levels for achieving higher learning outcomes. Third, design and apply active learning strategies in classroom teaching. Fourth, identify students with different learning styles. Fifth, to understand effective teaching practices. Sixth, effectively use of PowerPoint for creation of presentation. I will utilize knowledge gain in this week for plan new active learning strategies in classroom. Second, adopt new style for teaching and learning. Third, implement effective teaching practices. Fourth, use the knowledge of PowerPoint presentation. Task 1 for this week is creation of PowerPoint presentation on any of the topic of your subject. My topic is बाबूराव मुसळे यांच्या कादंबरीतील वेगळेपण. So, I prepare the PowerPoint presentation on my topic and submit to the system. From this week, effective teaching practices, I understand the use of PowerPoint presentation and rules of PowerPoint presentation. Week second, creation of online resources. I have gained from this week is importance of reflection spot. Preparation of video resources by using PowerPoint, Screencast-O-Matic software, creation of own WordPress website. I will utilize knowledge gain from week for effective use of reflection spot. Prepare video resources using Screencast-O-Matic. Task second, creation of video resource using Screencast-O-Matic. I have uploaded video on YouTube. From this week, I have learned some experience like use of Screencast-O-Matic for creation of video resources and knowledge of own YouTube channel. Week third, Moodle as a learning management system. From this week, I have gained first, knowledge of learning management system. Second, creation of Google Classroom for my class. I will utilize the knowledge for creation of Google Classroom for my class to create puzzles for classroom to increase the interest in my subject. Task third, creation of Google Classroom. I have created Google Classroom and give link to the system. Now week 4, digital and advanced pedagogy. I have gained from this week to create e-learning sources like Testmos, Mentimeter, Plickers, Kahoot. I will utilize the knowledge gained from this week for use of digital students' response like Testmos, Mentimeter, Plickers, Kahoot. Task 4, design any one activity on digital and advanced pedagogy. I have made quiz on Testmos and get response of students. From this week, I learned to create e-learning resources by using various online free software tools, knowledge of Testmos, and to collect the response of students. Conclusion of this for faculty development program. First, resource person explain each topic details. Second, to create enthusiasm among participants to learn new tools and techniques. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to learn knowledge and techniques for faculty development program. I would like to thank you for all resource person who gave me their precious time and knowledge. Thank you.